welcome again to our class today. So, teacher, hope you are doing fine, right? So today is last weekend. So everyone, can you tell teacher what day is it today? Yeah, today Friday, and we are 1st and May 2020. Okay. So alright. So today is at the weekend. So on Friday, so we have some activity that teacher would like you to do. It is a family, right? Okay. So teacher, hope you are feel happy to see this activity. Okay. So in unit 8 again, but we do the project. Okay. All of you know about the project, right? Okay. What is that, teacher? Okay. Will we make a ring time train? So teacher would like you to do like a train, like yesterday. Teacher draw some train for you, and I hope you understand. Oh, yesterday teacher have some train, so today will be make some paper train also. Okay, but it is about the ring. Like yesterday, teacher told you about what is that? What is the ring of the word rock? Okay, so sock and clock, right? And today also, teacher would like you to make like a picture, and you just draw it. You just color it like a train, or you can draw it like this also, or you can do like this. Okay? So teacher will show you how to do it. So the first you have to do is you have to make a train. Yeah, the head of the train. This one, like the same also, but this one is too kind. You can do that one, and you can do this one also. But this one, teacher would like you to put word. But this one, teacher would like you to do like the picture. Do you understand? Yeah, thank you so much. So here, like this one, yeah, you can draw like the head of the train. Yeah, draw like this, and you will connect it. And then what is that? Yeah, teacher would like to show you. The first word is okay. Okay, so you see this? Yeah, bear, right? Okay, bear. So this one is hello, bear. Okay, what is the ring of the bear, everyone? Yeah, you can imagine what is that? Okay, what is the ring of the bear? Okay, and you can connect it like this. Here, train. Yeah. Okay, bear, what's that? Can you guess? Teacher have bear and what is it? Yeah, square. It's the same sound, you know? Bear, square. Okay, it's the same sound. Okay, the same sound, and you will connect it like this. Okay, you will connect. You can ask me, how, teacher? How can I connect it? Yeah, here. It's the glue, and you can put it together, alright? Put it together, yeah, put on the board, or you can put on your notebook also. Okay, now one more. Okay, what is it, everyone? Yeah, chair, right? So, here, okay. Teacher, make a ring time train, okay? We make like a train, so now teacher will connect one more. Okay. Okay, so that is our project, the first one. Now let me teacher, okay? Okay, this one is a train, okay? We have the ring time on the train. So bear, square, chair. One more, we have the word what is it? Yeah, hair, the same also. But teacher only get only 3. Teacher draw and color it only 3, alright? Again, teacher. Okay, bear, square, chair. Okay, good. Now one more. Teacher suggest, teacher suggest. Okay, if you want to do, okay, just make you another one. Okay, so here. Oh, here you can do this. Yeah, this one is like a roll. Not wrong, but it is like this, alright? Okay, now let's see. Teacher have the word dog. Okay? Uh-oh, teacher has something. Have some problem here. Okay, so teacher can put like this, everyone. kind of them here. It's okay, right? Okay. This the train also, and teacher will, yeah, dog. Teacher will do this. Okay, like a train here. Sorry. Okay, now one more, 2 words, okay? This one, dog, okay? One more is frog, okay? One more is, where's that? Yeah, lodge. Okay, okay, can be like this, right? Okay, see, so teacher will connect it. You can use the glue, yeah? Use the glue like this to connect it, alright? And so here, teacher will connect it. Like this, and the last one is like this. Okay, so here we call, okay, that is the train also, dog, frog, lodge. Okay, it is the same rim. It's the rim, the same. It means the same sound. Okay, so now let's repeat teacher. Bear, square, chair. This one, dog, frog, lodge. Okay, now this one is the project that teacher suggests you to do at home, and I hope you are doing fine because we have 2 day off, and you can do it. All right, now, and you can do this one more. You can do this also. You just what? Okay, you just draw a train and then you write the word like yesterday teacher taught you. Like the word what? Okay, you can say cat, cat, lake, like the same. Okay, okay, cat, hat, lake. What about here? You can write it also. Okay, so the project is 2 kinds. So you can do like this and do like this one, right? Like this one and like this one. So I hope you are happy to do this project, everyone. So thank you very much, everyone. So goodbye. See you next week, okay?